Subscribe here for more educational videos. Ring bell to be first viewer of new uploads. Click thumb icon if you like this video to encourage us. ITOYS presents. Dear kids, let's listen to a moral story named, The Frogs Ask for the King.
The frogs, in a large lake, were sad as they did not have a king. So they prayed to Lord Jupiter for the same.
Lord, we would also like to have a king.
Now seeing their simplicity, Jupiter cast down a huge log into the lake. The frogs were terrified at the splash caused due to its fall. But as soon as they realized that the huge log was motionless, they swam again to the top of the water, climbed up, and began squatting on it in contempt. They did not like such an inactive ruler.
For more information, visit our website.
So they again prayed to Jupiter for a new king. This time Lord Jupiter gave them an eel to govern them. When the frogs discovered his easy good nature, they were not happy again. They again prayed to Jupiter. Now, Jupiter was displeased with all their complaints. He sent to Heron, who ate up all the frogs. Moral of the story is, one should be satisfied with their lot, or they land up in trouble.